So I want to extend your understanding of ratios and how to label them with a similar to what we did last time concept, where we're taking 2 blues to 3 reds to make our purple paint. But this time I want you to imagine that we're going to use some kind of a scoop to scoop this out. So I'm going to draw this scoop over here. It's going to be beautiful. You know my artwork. There's my beautiful scoop. And it turns out that this scoop just happens to hold 2 blues. And so what we can say then is that this scoop, one scoop, is equal to 2 blues. It holds that much. And of course the question is, well, how many scoops of red do I need if my scoop holds 2 blues? And so just use more of my beautiful artwork to help you out with this. We're going to draw a scoop, and each scoop can hold 2 reds as well, because 2 blues and 2 reds are equal. Well, that's not enough. So I'm going to have to grab another scoop and to get that last little bit of red that I need, I'm going to put 1 in there. Now it could hold 2, but I'm only putting in 1. So I'm going to end up with 1 scoop on this one, and this is going to be half, because it could hold 2, but I only need 1. So it's going to take a total of 1 scoop blue and 1 1/2 scoops of red. So that's one way you could think about this. What if, on the other hand, I wanted to change this and say that the scoop was a different size? Let's go to the next page here, and we'll take a look at that. So again, we've got the exact same ratio table. Just for the sake of clarity, we've got blue and red, and we've got, sorry about that, that should have been red. Thought I changed my color and hit the wrong button. Alright, there we go. Beautiful picture, tape diagram, blue to red. This time my scoop is going to be a little different size. I'm going to say that my scoop holds 3 reds. It'll hold this much. Perfect. What we're saying then is that the scoop, this becomes 1 scoop right here. Well, how many scoops do we need of the blue? That's actually not too hard to see. We're going to say that each scoop can hold up to 3 dots. And when we scoop, we're going to need to put in 2 of the dots out of the 3. So this becomes 2/3 of a scoop. And up here we end up with 1 scoop. So now if a scoop changed size and it's a little bigger, we can say that it holds 2/3 blue to 1 scoop of red, if our scoop is the same size as the red. And then there's one more thing that we can do with this, very similar to what we've been doing. Exact same ratio table again. Just make it real quick here. So we've got a 2 to 3. What if our scoop this time, we've gone to Costco and gotten the big scoop. What if our scoop this time will actually hold not 2, not 3, but what if it will actually hold 5 parts? Well, when you look at this, you say, well, if I scoop in, how much do I need in the scoop to equal blue? Well, I need 2/5 of a scoop. So blue, sorry about that, would be 2/5 of a scoop. And then we've got red. Well, red, we can kind of see that up here. It's 1, 2, 3 right there. So we're going to say that is 3/5 of a scoop. My beautiful artwork finishes this off. And that would be if the scoop got really large that's how we could fill it up to make our purple paint. So when you're looking at these, you have to consider what is the whole, what is the total. And depending on the size of your scoop, it changes what the fraction might look like.